Hello and welcome to Microsoft Word Advanced course. This is part 8, restricting editing of documents. In this video, we will see various methods how to prevent others from formatting or making changes to a form or making changes to a document if we are sharing it with them. I'm using the same restaurant review form which we have created in the previous video of fillable forms. While we were creating a fillable form, we have restricted the editing to only fill that the user can only fill in the form. But in this video, we'll see how other options can be used, where we can have only a read-only form, or we can restrict the formatting of the form. So under your developer tab and your protect category, click on restrict editing. You will get 3 points in the restrict editing pane. The first one is formatting restrictions. Click on limit formatting to a selection of styles, then go to settings. The formatting restriction setting dialog box will come, or it will appear for you. From this dialog box, you can limit the formatting to a selection of style. You can have all these restrictions. You can click on recommended, like these are the recommended ones. Some are unchecked. Once they are unchecked, you can always click and provide those options. You can remove them altogether by clicking on none. These check boxes are provided. You can select or unselect these features. Once you are done, you can click on OK. So there are certain formatting styles. It will give you, as per your selection over there, you will be provided certain tips and recommendation. You can choose, you can read and then choose which one suits you the best. In the editing restriction, last time we did use filling in the forms. We restricted people for only to fill in the information in the form. They could not do any editing. If you click on the drop down, you can see track changes and comments. Now when we are sharing a form or a document with someone, we can always track the changes which are being made by others. We can see the comments which they have placed on the document, or while proofreading whatever comments they have placed, you can see those things. So these options can be selected, or you can always choose no changes, read only. Then you have exception options available, like who all are given this permission. Is it for everyone, or you want to add in more users, some specific people? A dialog, if you click on more users, a dialog box will open where you can specifically provide the names of the people for whom you want these restrictions to apply. If you do not want them for everyone, but you for a specific group of people, you can provide in their usernames and it will be applicable for them. For now, I am going with everyone. Any changes you want to make, you can always come back. You can apply and select those changes that will be applicable on the document. Once you are done with these changes, you can always click on enforce. Yes, start enforcing, and your document, the restrictions which you have applied, it will be applicable on your document. Hope you found the information useful. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and thank you for watching.